Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef. Got a little congestion going on. I apologize for the voice, but you ever bought something just because you want to know what was in the box? Well, I did that. So I'm going to pour myself a glass of raspberry tea here, and we're going to find out what's in this box. I was at Walmart in the seafoods aisle looking for crayfish, and I saw this. What in the world? So I guess I'm just trying to figure out what's in the box. Is it just chopped up tuna? Is it a poke bowl? I just don't know. But it's been sitting in the refrigerator overnight. It says on the box, it says thaw, mix, and serve. Ready to enjoy ahi tuna poke with sauce. Ideal for two. Chef-inspired, sushi quality, excellent source of protein. But it doesn't really tell me anything about what's actually in the box. So I had to find out. So I've got some tools here, not sure what we're going to need. So let's just open this and find out what's in here. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm expecting a plastic bag, and that would be accurate. And it looks like it's nothing but chopped up tuna and some kind of sauce packet. Lord knows what this could be. All right, well, the directions say mix with sauce and eat. I don't know that I really trust this, but we're going to do it anyway. I love ahi. We're going to see what kind of quality this was. This was $6. Okay, so can't be great. All right, it's just chopped up tuna. It looks very fresh. It smells clean. There's basically no odor. It's actually good quality ahi. So I don't know that I'm crazy about covering all this in this sauce, but we'll do it anyway. We're just going to do what the box says. And I've got some chopsticks. All right. You know, if they're going to serve it like this, I need some onions. Let's find out. It's a ginger sauce, and I got to tell you, that's surprisingly good. I would buy that again. I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. So if you see this in your Walmart seafood aisle, don't be afraid of it. I'll buy that again. Like I said, it was like $6. That's actually sushi grade tuna. That is really impressive. And it says it's a product of Indonesia. Hey, until next time, eat fabulous. I will see you soon. I've got a lot more content coming. Drinks and food upcoming. I just needed a break. Have a great day.
In the heart of Kansas, under sky so clear, lives a chef with a flair, bringing folks some cheer. With a pinch of love and a dash of zest, he's the Kansas Flamingo, and his meals are the best.